Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful woodcraft ideas. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos friends. So viewers, now this idea is viewers, wooden wall decor. Our first idea is a beautiful wooden wall decoration. Take a simple wooden board and give it a light standing. You can leave the nature wood color or paint it with white, brown or any color that match your room. Add some small flower, leaves, dog or decorative letter. You can even write a simple word such as welcome, hope or family. This simple piece can completely change an empty wall die wooden tray. A simple wooden board can easily become a beautiful tray. Add two handles on both sides and give the wood a smooth finish. You can keep the natural wood look for a rustic style or paint the tray and add a simple patterns. Place candle, cup, flowers or small decoration on the tray. It can be useful as well as beautiful. And friends, my next idea is weavers. Wooden plant stand. If you love plants, this idea is perfect for you. Create a small wooden stand for your plants, favorite plants. You can make a simple square or round stand depending on your plant pot. Nature would look especially beautiful with green plant. Place the stand a window in a living room corner or a balcony. It is simple to bring a natural feeling into your home. And viewers, my next idea is wooden candle holder. Viewers, another lovely idea is a wooden candle holder. Use a small piece of thick wood and carefully create space for candles. You can keep the design simple and natural. Add small decorative details around the edges. When you place candles inside, the warm light create a cozy atmosphere. This is